everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. Have you been stuck with your iPad on a screen like support.apple.com/iPad/restore? This means your iPad has entered recovery mode. This usually happens when you update or restore your iPad. If you encounter this situation, don't worry. Follow my steps and you'll be able to easily solve the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart iPad. If you are unable to use the computer, you can first try manually forcing your iPad to restart. First, connect your iPad to the computer using a data cable, then quickly press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. But if this method does not work, you should consider using a computer to solve the problem. Method 2. Repair iPad using iTunes. Usually, when your iPad is in recovery mode and you connect it to a computer using a data cable, iTunes will show that your iPad needs to be updated or restored. Choose Restore and Continue, waiting for the iPad to download the firmware and restore. Note that this will reset your iPad. If you do not want to lose data, I recommend the following method. Method 3. Repair iPad by UltFone iOS System Repair. You can use UltFone iOS System Repair, allowing you to exit recovery mode with just one click, without any firmware. It can also fix over 150 iOS system issues without losing data. The download link is already in the description. To fix your iPad, first connect it to your computer, launch UltFone, then click Exit Recovery Mode at the bottom left of the interface. Yes, with just one click, you can quickly get your iPad out of trouble. It's very simple and worth a try. Method 4. Repair iOS system. If you are still experiencing other issues, you might also consider using the system repair feature in UltFone, which will not cause any data loss either. Return to UltFone, click the green Start button, select Standard Mode, and then click the green button to continue. UltFone will obtain the latest firmware for your iPad, and you can choose where to save the firmware. After confirming, click Download to continue. Once the download is complete, click the Start Standard Repair button. The iPad repair process usually takes about 10 minutes. Please wait patiently and keep the iPad connected. When you see Standard Repair completed, it means your iPad has been successfully repaired. This is our tutorial on how to fix an iPad stuck in recovery mode. If you succeed using any of these methods, don't forget to give us a like. I would be very grateful if you subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.